So, all right. So the first one we have is kulang, and kulang just means to be lacking, right? To lack or lacking or missing something that's not enough. Um, not enough of something, right? Kulang, kulang pa, which it's still not enough. Not it's still lacking. We still need some more. Bunal, right? And this isn't the same as sumbag, right? Bunal means to strike or hit someone with an object or something with an object. Versus sumbag, sumbag just means to punch or strike someone with your fist. Okay. Tabong, right? Tabong is same as talabong or tulabong. Duyog just means to accompany someone or to join someone in music, like collaborations with people. Like, right, duyog is a collaboration with somebody in music. When you see or listen to new music and you see different artists that are collaborating or accompanying with each other, that's duyog. Or it can even just be like a duet, like, oh yeah, we'll play together, or a trio or whatever. Lakang means to pace or to step yourself, like to be in a pacing mode across something, right? This is specific to an area. Like you're going to be pacing in an area, you're going to be pacing or stepping across an aisle, you're going to be pacing or stepping across a hallway, something like lakang, right? Lakang. Sometimes people can use this to mean like tiptoeing, but it's not really tiptoeing. It's like you're just taking steps at a time. You're pacing yourself. And this is specific to just pacing across in an area in a specific place versus lakaw, which is lakaw is just taking a walk. Lakang is different from lakaw in that manner. Tungay means for something to hang loose, right? Hanging loose from something. So let's say, for example, like there was a branch from a tree and it's about to fall because it's just hanging loose. Or you have a piece of cloth and all the threads and the fabric is just like hanging loose. You have loose threads, right? Or you have a torn sheet of paper and the sheet of paper has like loose ends that are just hanging. Tungay would be a word to describe that. Ay, tungay, natungay ang papel. The paper is just hanging loose because it's about to fall. It's just hanging loose, waiting for it to fall. Sirit is to jet, spurt, spout, zoom, whoosh, right? So zoom, like something is just gonna zoom, like pass by, or like jetting out, like that. And it's rushing out because it's caused from a high pressure, right? You have a high pressure or a high movement of something that's like going across somewhere, whether it's a jet plane, whether it's an airplane that's zooming, whether it's a car that passed by that zoomed, whether it's a water spout, like a water valve or some sort of water that's swooshing out, right? It's result from pressure built up, right? So sirit is the word sirit. Garason, right? Garason comes from the root word garas, right? Garas, and garas just means to scratch, but in a non-human way. So let's say that you had a car accident, right? And the cars had scratches on them. That's garas. Or let's say you were moving a picture from one room or furniture from one room to another, but the furniture scratched the wall or scratched some sides. That would be garas. All right, and this is involving non-human things, right? Because remember, to scratch in human is katol, right? It's itchy, right? So garas is just non-human. Ang is a steps on the ladder or stairs or escalators or elevators or lifts, whatever, right? Steps. They're the little steps that you can see. Or to make steps, right? Stepping stones, like the ang, it's like going up. Napuol, right? Napuol, or it comes from the root word puol, and puol means to get bored or become bored of something, right? Oh, I had enough of this. I'm bored of it already. Like, I'm gonna try something new. I'm bored now. So, I don't like that fruit anymore. I'm bored with it. I don't like that chocolate anymore. I'm bored with it, So, something that got bored. La'ai is similar in a way because la'ai means you are in the state of boredom, right? So, la'ai is similar but different in a way, okay? You're in a state of boredom. Anad means to get used to something or get used to doing something, right? So maybe you're familiar with a city and you can find your way around things, right? You can find your way around streets. Anad naka. So you already got used to it. You're tame. You're tame to something, because you were conditioned and you got used to it. Maybe yeah, just you're tamed and you got used to something, right? Or used to doing something. Um, and final one is luwasa, which comes from the word luwas, and luwas means to rescue or save somebody from harm, right? You're rescuing somebody, you saved somebody's life.